To maintain an EasyLift. In fact, it's quite simple. It's why it's called EasyLift. So on this specific unit where you have the Kubota diesel engine, you need to look at the coolant, you look at the oil level every day. That's really important. Other than that, you make sure all components are in place, but this is also true for the overall machine. If we go on that side, we have the battery. Could be really easy recharge if there's any problem. With the winter package, you already have a built-in battery charger and hydraulic tank heater. So if we go on that side, we have the fuses. There is alternator, engine, and main cutoff fuse inside this protected box. Other than that, every day you need to make a walk around your machine to make sure everything is fine, everything is well tied, nothing is loose. A visual inspection, usually it's enough, but you need to do that every day. That's for your own safety. Remember, it's a lift. So another thing we've been asked a lot of time, it's about the track. Track need to be tight. The retightening of the track, it's really accessible from this side panel. You have a special adapter that we supply in the kit to retighten the track in case they became loose. You never drive a machine like that with loose track. Really important. You're gonna ruin the track and you could damage the carriage system. Other than that, once in a while, you grease the pivot point. So in most case, there is Zerk. You could regular grease gun and you will apply grease in different position. It's all well explained in the manual. Just follow the guide, follow the rule, it should be fine. The boom need to be lubricated once in a while. So the idea will be especially not to grease the boom, but to make sure nothing has stick to it. So if there's any like wood chip, dust, something stick to it, take your time, rag it up, you lubricate again with a non-sticky lubricant like silicone base or something similar, and the boom will slide perfectly. This is about the basic maintenance you need to do. There is a service schedule we will supply you. Basic guideline, 250 hour, 500 hour are the threshold for most of this maintenance. So depend on which kind of condition you're working. If you're working in really deep rain condition, really dusty places, or if you work at minus 30 in wintertime, this will change the way you will maintain this machine. This will change the kind of oil grade you will put into the engine. So make sure to follow the guide in the user manual, in the engine manufacturer manual. Everything is explained. It's really simple. Most of or thousands of customers are make their maintenance by themselves. If there's anything, you just call, you send a service request by email. We will answer the question as quick as possible to teach you how things work and make sure you could make the best maintenance out of your lift and get the best productivity too. So that's the basic maintenance you need to do on this lift.